Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Phixbear Strong double-sided heavy-duty tape. And so I do want to thank Phixbear for actually gifting this to me. And so essentially how this works is that this can be used indoor and outdoor. And it's basically going to be a strong adhesive, and it's also a waterproof tape. And so what I essentially plan to use this for is a lot of my security alarms on door attachments and window attachments. But essentially how it works is that you simply just cut a piece of the strip off. And so one side is sticky, the other side you peel off. So by peeling it off, it's gonna look like this. You're basically able to attach different plastics. Again, I'm using mine for my security alarms. And you're basically able to go ahead and attach it to different surfaces and such. So if I pull off this portion, we now have the adhesive side, which is really sticky. And you also have this side, which is also really sticky. Now with it, it also comes with a bonding glue in case you need something to be even more stickier than it actually is. But I come from having used a bunch of different double-sided adhesive tapes, and I must say that this one is actually really strong. So overall, with it, just make sure that before you apply this, you clean the surface that you plan to apply it on, and make sure that you firmly attach it by pressing down once it is attached. Overall, very, very pleased with it.